This is Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel See the World Through. Tanvir Kazmi again. I'm here to discuss very important uh, analysis on the news. For me, it's a little important. It's about today's news about USA President uh, put embargo on Venezuela, a country, for their tariff on their importing their oil. But I only think it's okay because they sent some illegal immigrants or through crossing the border into the country, or some other, they have a complaint, they have some criminals ever added into the country. Yes, it is your country, and every person has a right, or a country has a right to either accept immigrants into their house or let them go back to their country. So it is your right. I have no trouble with that. The thing was only what I feel a little bit uncomfortable when President or his team said that no world should buy oil for that country from that country. That is where I want to give my comments. That keep in your mind, if we have a disagreement with the leadership of any country, leaderships only consist of maybe 10, 15, 20 people who may have different opinion than we think. It does not mean that we should punish their millions and millions of people. That's, I think, is injustice. Keep in your mind, we all children of Adam and Eve, spread all over the world. Every human born is a soul from God, blew into the spirit, into into a child. Every human has a right of having a food, clothing, and house and everything. Yes, we have disagreement with the leaders, and we done right that we chose. If somebody comes to our house, it's okay. You go back, or if we think they are good, we can accept them into our house or our country. But I think it's not a correct behavior to ask them any in the world not to do business with the leadership or the country. There are millions, maybe 200 millions people. They are suffering every day. They need they need house, they need water, they need clothes to wear, they need to survive. That's why the people migrate to the people. America, United States, other European country or many rich countries, they have done a great job by doing work day and night, and they have become very successful and become richest. They have good quality housing, clothing, and food and everything. The many countries, the leadership or the people may not doing the good job, and they try to enter into the country to make that lifestyle better. So we should not punish the people or millions of people based on a few bad, leadership decisions. What I suggest here, let's not do it. Yes, we can talk to leadership and continue to push them, do dialogue. Do not send people who are not a good character people. This is our right, this is our house. But it is God given rights for every human that we should provide food, shelter, I mean their houses and clothing and other benefits. We try to help them. We must help them for the sake of God, for the sake of one family spread all over the world. We guide them. We guide them through holy books. We guide them through so many things. Give them machinery so they can also become better. If they are continue coming here, okay, let's me give you machinery and some guidance. How can you do same thing in your house? You don't have to come here. So let's do justice. Just learn justice. Let's not make common people suffer. But again, we are very proud that we are taking decisions to make our country safe. But again, it's our obligations that if we want to get unlimited pleasure of paradise, living in heaven forever, younger with no problems, that requires extra efforts that we need to step forward and say, okay, let's help you. Do not send us criminal, do not send us bad people, but let us help you to you come to the level that you don't have to send your people here. You can get all comfort in your house, in your country, We can help you build your houses. We can help you build your land with a lot of fruits, wheat and rice and everything. We will help you. We'll give you top machinery to do many things. If you have something, give us. So I again suggest and strongly recommend, let's not punish the people. Let's continue dialogue with the leadership and give them room. Let's forget the past. Please do not keep whatever we are doing as something from the behind, from the past. That time has gone. We have to look for the present and the future. We must look to make this world peaceful and loving and kind. Let's defeat the Satan, the devil, who is humanity enemy. You want us to divide. You want us to continue to suffer, kill each other, hate each other. When we help each other, then the people will start loving us. When we get love, we get support. Then they will not going to send you any illegal immigrants. When a person has a food in the home, why he has to come travel and to strange place? So let's help them and let them do trade. Again, if leadership have problem, continue to talk to leadership. Continue to talk to leadership. That's the only way to bring peace and love and prosperity in the world. And this is the way we can defeat the Satan. This is the way we can earn paradise. Of this life is short. This can terminate any time. Let's do give respect for every human being. Give them everything they want. Okay. Take care. Islam. See you next time. Bye.